guys, today is a very special day. It's November 6th, 2018. It's almost 6 o'clock in the evening and it's kind of dark out. But 10 years ago on this very day, November 6th, 2008, the Goodman was installed. Yep, today was its final day of warranty. So it is no longer under warranty, which is, it's alright. But it's hard to believe that this thing's 10 years old today. I know it's dark out, but I'll do a better video on it tomorrow. But the install on the Goodman started on November 5th, 2008, and it was completed on November 7th, 2008. And 10 years ago, it was very cold because when our old unit went out, we were without heat for 3 days. And I remember it was space heaters, just like the old days. But yeah, and then the Goodman was installed. I remember when they brought it in, they had it on the back of a service van, an enclosed service van. And they backed up right here, opened the doors, rolled it off onto its pad, and it's been sitting here ever since. I did have pictures and videos of the actual install, but that was on a computer that got hit by lightning, unfortunately, so I lost everything on that. But yeah, I remember the two smashing the brick out for the two ducts to go through, and I remember when they were pulling the old stuff out, they actually hooked a chain to the air handler, and the hole was big enough here for the air handler to come out, so they hooked a chain to it and backed the service van up right to where I'm standing, and they went to pull the air handler out, and it got wedged in between the two pillars for the foundation of the house. And the HVAC technician, well, let's just say he kind of got stuck in between those same two pillars once the air handler got freed. But they had to dismantle the air handler piece by piece and bring it out the crawlspace door because they couldn't drag it out with a truck and a chain. But anyways, I figured I'd just do this video. Happy birthday to the Goodman. It's on its 10th heating season, and next year will be its 10th cooling season. So it's been here quite a long time. I know this ain't the greatest video that I've ever done because it's pitch black out here. But look, the grass is still green. It's 80 degrees out here right now. I'm in a short sleeve shirt, as you can see, and the Goodman is off. Anyways, thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Over and out.